Hello everyone, welcome back to this beautiful and creative world of handmade crafts. Today we will talk about amazing jute rope and burlap bottle craft ideas. These crafts are simple, eco-friendly and very beautiful. Anyone can make their own home with little effort, and jute and burlap give a natural and elegant look that makes your home decoration special and unique. Jute rope crafts are very popular because they are strong and long lasting. When you decorate bottles with jute rope, they look simple but very attractive. Handmade crafts also show your creativity and patience. And burlap is a natural fabric that gives a rustic and vintage style. When you combine burlap with bottles, it creates a soft and warm decoration piece. It also makes old bottles useful again. One beautiful idea is wrapping a glass bottle with jute rope from bottom to top. This craft is very easy and the result looks professional and stylish. It can be used as a flower vase or table decorate. You can also decorate the bottle neck with burlap ribbon and lace. This small addition makes the bottle look more fancy and elegant. Small details always make craft more special. Painting the bottle before wrapping jute rope is another creative idea. Light colors like white, beige, or pastel shades look very beautiful with natural jute rope. You can add artificial flowers or dry flowers inside the decorated bottle. This makes the craft perfect for living rooms or bedrooms. Natural decorations create a peaceful environment. Using buttons, pearls, or beads with burlap makes the bottle look more decorative. Simple materials can create expensive looking designs if used creativity. These bottle crafts are also perfect gift idea. Handmade gifts always show love, effort and care. People feel happy they receive something handmade. Jute rope crafts also help in recycling old bottles. Instead of throwing bottles away, you can turn them into beautiful decoration pieces. Recycling helps protect our environment, and you can write a small positive cards on burlap and attach them to bottles. Positive words make decoration meaningful and inspiring. Another idea is making hanging bottle decoration using jute rope handles. These hanging bottles look very beautiful on balconies or gardens. You can also create candle holders using jute rope wrapped bottle. When candles glow inside, they create a warm and relaxing atmosphere. Adding lace with burlap gives a vintage wedding decoration look. Many people use jute and burlap decoration in weddings because they look classy and natural. You can design different patterns using jute rope like zigzag, spiral, and or layered styles. Trying new patterns improves creativity and skills. These crafts are also very budget friendly. You don't need expensive materials. Simple items can create wonderful decoration pieces. Doing craft work also relaxes the mind. It reduces stress and improves focus. Crafting is a healthy and positive hobby. Children can also learn simple jute crafts with adult supervision. Craft activities help children improve creativity and patience. Decorating bottles with seasonal theme is another great idea. You can create a special design for festival, wedding, or home parties. You can also use colored jute rope to create bright and colorful designs. Mixing colors makes the bottle look more lovely and attractive. Using burlap flowers on bottles creates a soft and artistic look. Handmade burlap flowers are very trendy and beautiful. Layering burlap and jute together creates texture and depth in craft. Layered designs always look more professional and stylish. You can also decorate bottles with small shells, wooden shapes, or ribbons. Nature inspired decorations always look calm and elegant. These crafts can also be used as table centerpieces. Handmade decorations make your dining table look welcoming and stylish. Trying new craft ideas helps improve confidence. When you create something beautiful, it gives happiness and satisfaction. You can also sell handmade jute crafts online or in local markets. Many people love eco friendly handmade decoration. Craft work teaches patience and hard work. Good results always come when you work slowly and carefully. You can decorate bottles using fairy lights with jute rope. Light decoration makes the bottle glow and look magical. Thanks for watching my Thanks for support my channel.